Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Green 13 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yu Asaka, a famous puzzle designer who creates amazing 2D packing puzzles. The difficulty level of the Green 13 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame. Number 13 in the name of the puzzle refers to the number of parts that's usual for Yu Asaka puzzles. All of them have number in their name, which states the number of parts. Here we have 9 green parts and 4 circles, in total 13 pieces, and you have to find a way how to fit all of them inside. You will notice that there is a part here where you can fit the circle right from the very beginning, and then there is a part where you can also fit a circle, but then you have to find another part that will cover it, and you have to fit the rest of the parts inside the frame, and it will be not so difficult to find a spot for most of the parts, but at the very end you will find that you still have a couple of parts left and you don't have enough space for them inside the tray. Like, for example, now I'll put this one here, this one probably goes here. I can fit another part, maybe I can change something here a little bit, but then there is not enough space for the last piece, and also we have 2 circles that we can't fit inside. So you have to figure out the way how to put everything inside, and this puzzle has a very nice aha moment. After finding it, you will be able to solve the puzzle and see that the solution was something that you didn't expect from the very beginning when you start solving the puzzle. If you like the Green 13 puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.